uses your whole mind, like the creative side, the analytical side. It uses everything. They love seeing something in the physical world that they did. It lights them up.
But I just really like at the end when it all comes together and you get to see what it can do and stuff like that, and all that hard work finally put into action. It really gives me a big sense of pride.
I could connect a microphone and it can create a visualization of the music that is being played.
Lights, color, trippy.